The JDI Ghost Lock is an anti-theft recovery system. Let me tell you all the things it can do. For starters, GPS tracking. It gives you a specific address in real time, not just a general area. You can see where your vehicle is at from anywhere in the world from an app on your phone. The GPS tracker uses 4G LTE cell signal, bouncing between AT&T and T-Mobile towers, giving you the best possible signal. It also upgrades your fuel pump wiring, not only giving you up to 15% better flow, at the same time giving you the power to cut the fuel pump off from the phone. You'll also get notifications sent to you through text message or email whether the vehicle is moved in any way, started, towed, or driven. The TrackMate app even monitors your battery voltage. Tracking service starts at $9.99 a month with no contracts. That's less than Netflix. And the best part is it'll work on just about any vehicle. It's time to secure your ride with a JDI Ghost Lock. Visit jordandistributors.com. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. It's a little windy out here, trying to get some great shots of the Integra. Look how good it is looking and how it is sitting. We're going to do a review of these Fortune Auto coilovers coming up right now. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. It's good to see you. Thank you for all the support. Ding dang bong being along. Today we're back working on the DA, continuing with the Fortune Auto suspension install. The coilovers have been installed. I also need to swap out the exhaust. We're going to do a couple of test sounds before we actually swap it out for the Hks. We're going to hear what the Revel sounds like. I do like the Revel. It's a little quiet for my taste, and who knows, the Hks might be a little loud. I don't know. We're going to find out. But we're also going to get this thing on the ground today and get the height and everything set up. Either today or tomorrow we'll go get an alignment, and we're going to do a review of these coilovers. So I'm going to get busy. I'm going to probably go ahead and pull the exhaust off. Before we move forward or pulling the exhaust off, we're going to get a couple of sound clips. I've done the most uninteresting thing to film. I took the exhaust off. It was pretty simple. This joint to that joint to this one over here is the mid pipe. There's no exhaust underneath here anymore. So now it is time to throw this guy on. Hopefully she fits and, sounds good, of course, but my main concern at this point is just if she fits. We'll see what she sounds like when we're done. I mean, it's literally bolting it together. Just trying to get the camera down there is such a pain. Okay, after a torturous and dirty session of swapping exhausts, I've got it on. You can see them cooking in here. Oh my God, every time I get underneath the car. So let's take a look at it. So here's the Hks High-Powered Exhaust. Gonna get some sound clips of this bad boy. It actually fit up pretty nicely. It's real close to hitting the sway bar, so there's a good chance it might once I get it on the ground and everything. I'll be honest with you, if you've watched my recent videos, you would know. I certainly found some raccoon guts underneath there. It wasn't pretty. I'm interested to know, what does she sound like? Not a whole lot louder in here. I kind of like it, actually. I like it. So we're gonna move forward with that. We're gonna leave that on here for now. Let's put the wheels on, get this thing on the ground, and really do what we came to do, which is find out what is up with the suspension. Also, I threw this sticker on, which I really like. I got that from Resto Tuner, so shout out to Resto Tuner. Okay, just got the car on the ground. I gotta say, I think we're looking good on height-wise. Got a good little bit of height on here, and we've got just about the perfect amount of height of what I'm looking for in the rear. That is perfect. I don't think we need to make any adjustments. This is sitting right. Of course, we're gonna need an alignment, but this is where I want it, honestly. We're gonna have to pull the car out, back up, and get some perspective of the way it's actually sitting. So let me go ahead and kind of get cleaned up a little bit and straighten up, and we'll pull it out of the garage. Go around the block, see how she feels, see how bad it's out of alignment. So here we are, we're out on the road with the suspension. I haven't gotten alignment yet, but the alignment seems okay. Like, I'm sure it could be perfected, but it's driving straight, the steering wheel straight. I've got everything set in the middle. I believe it's 24-way adjustable suspension. I've got it set at 12. And I'm going to be brutally honest about this suspension. You know, I did pay a lot of money for it, but for starters, I love the exhaust. Let me just say that. And in fifth gear, it doesn't seem to make, you know, too much noise. But I swear to God, the engine feels like it's been uncorked. It feels like it's making a little bit more power. To be brutally honest with the suspension, I'm gonna be honest. It's so far, it's fucking unreal good. I gotta be honest with you. I am not trying to overbuild. I do that with a lot of stuff. I do kind of you know, I don't want to say exaggerate, but if I really like something, I go above and beyond saying how much I love it and how great it is. But this is another level. Like this is impossible good. I really do love the way the HKS sounds. The Medallion is really good, but this is a little bit more raspy, and it's in a perfect way. It's not too loud, but let's see if we can get on it a little bit. It sounds so good. This is worth every penny. It was worth the wait. I mean, it feels comfortable. It feels solid. It's stiff, but not in a harsh way. It's very hard to describe. It's exactly, you know, what you'd want. There's just enough give, but not too much. I'm really blown away by the suspension. Fortunato for the win. This is amazing. The car really kind of struggled through here before. Oh, she dragging spec now, son. She dragging spec. Oh my God. Like, it's effortless. It's effortless through here. Effortless. And I do not have power steering either. All right, we're heading over to K&M Tires out in Orlando to get an alignment. It's usually where I go for an alignment. They're really good at it. The car doesn't seem to be misaligned too bad, but you know, you can tell it definitely needs it, but it's not way out. So we'll see what it says. We'll see how bad it is. It may not even be that bad. Who knows? So we'll see what happens when we get there.
Yo sé que tú lo quieres hacer porque si le das el dinero y él con el dinero no llega a la fama.
So here we have the DA. It's a little windy out here. I hope I can talk over the wind. The DA is looking gorgeous. This is where it is sitting stance-wise. With the Hks exhaust, it looks amazing. All right, so we're gonna turn the AC off, roll the windows down. I'm gonna be honest with you, I just can't believe that the suspension turned out this good, that it is this big of a difference between this and every other suspension out there. Now I know the Fortune Auto is expensive suspension by most people's definition, and it is a serious hand-built suspension. And is it twice as good? My answer, absolutely. And this Hks exhaust sounds amazing, first of all. First little corner. The car feels completely confident in a corner. Whereas before, the weight would kind of swing as the weight transferred. It was kind of strange how the rear would kind of shift around. But now it's just, you point the car where you want and it goes. Not to mention that it feels unbelievably comfortable. The only limitation to the car at this point is the seat, to be 100% honest with you. So at this point, I believe the limitations with the car are myself as a driver and the seat. If you're looking to build a car that can handle a turn, you actually get faster with good suspension and brakes without even adding any horsepower. That's what's fun. You don't realize when you're in a corner with bad tires, bad brakes or bad suspension, you waste too much time trying to control the car before you can get back on the acceleration. So overall, you make the car and the experience not only more fun, but quicker as well. I mean, this is just phenomenal. Like nothing. So of course I got some cars in front of me. That was a really rough road that would make me jump all over the place before. S-curve. So you guys obviously know that I love these Fortune Auto coilovers, worth every penny. Don't forget, guys, only a couple weeks left on the Dragon Spec glasses and shift knob bundles. Go to thedragonspec.com. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.